This adventure started with a very late bus from Riverside, California down to the CBX border drop-off point. Okay, I just got off the bus. I took the CBX bus, you can see that here. And it's about 8 o'clock. Said I was supposed to get here at 7:15, but didn't get here until 8 o'clock, but that's okay. My flight doesn't leave until 10:30, so I got plenty of time. There's plenty of stuff here. I'm going to turn the camera around here. On the outside, there's some food trucks, and I know there's a Starbucks, but it's cheaper on the other side of CBX, so I think I'm going to go inside and try to get some cheaper food on the TJ side. Okay, it says here that they go to Riverside and they have exits that leave at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 6 p.m. It's $35 for the bus back to Riverside. Like I said, they have a Starbucks in here. Lots of car rental places. But we gotta go over to the bridge side, so I gotta keep on walking. On this side is where we go for departures. I'm gonna have to turn off my phone, but basically the way it works is you go up to these booths over here, scan in your code, and then you just start walking across the border. Just scanned my pass, which was really fast. Did that in just a few minutes. Cleaned the floor, so it's kind of noisy. And I'm just going to continue to walk through customs now. It's a pretty simple procedure here on the CBX bridge. So we're coming up right now on the actual border. And just a little bit past these doors, we'll be across the border. So there's the border on the floor. The sign, and we've crossed over into Mexico now, and now I gotta go through Mexican immigration. It's pretty fast. Okay, I just got my gate number. I got through inspection. That was really fast. I was the only one in line, so I guess if you're going on a Wednesday night, on a Tuesday night, it doesn't really matter. Gotta go gate 4, which is the other side. So we'll get a little walking tour of the hallways here of the Tijuana International Market. It's a nice one. They just renovated it. And so there's lots of designer shops now in here. And actually the other side I think has a Johnny Rockets now, so, and a Domino's. So there's all sorts of food options. I think there's also a torta place. So I'm gonna look for a torta. Looks like you got a baby Frida Kahlo over there. That's kind of cool. Oh, Corona serves tacos and breakfast food, and then Las Formosas Tortas is a torta Mexican sandwich, and Baja Bar is just a bar. I don't know, it's kind of a debate. I don't know if I should go for tortas or tacos, but we're gonna see what's over on the menu. My lemon water with chia was 60 pesos, so that's about $3. We went ahead and got the carne asada torta. It has white cheese, meat, and guacamole, and of course served with some type of spice, in this case jalapenos. It looks pretty good, and I'm gonna have that with my lemon juice. So it's a pretty good meal. Not the best torta ever, but for an airport it's pretty good. Here at the airport, looks like that I'm gonna go on is just unloading right now, so they gotta clean it, and then we can go onto the plane. So that's what I'm waiting for.